Welcome back. I think every single video this trip has started with a walk to Starbucks. It is day 3 show day. We got bodybuilding and classic physique on today. So it's been a really awesome experience so far. Really meeting awesome people. Ready to absolutely dominate this day. We got a team dinner again tonight. It's been really good to catch up with the team, the Turkish people, but first let's get coffee and then we can catch up. Game day 3. It's going down. Do it. Classic bodybuilding. Just waiting for Summit quickly, just to check this ex-meal. The 150 water, 150. Okay, drink it now. Okay. Yeah.
Very nice. Welcome. Hurma and hurma, Turkish.
Dates for the pump. Dates and Starbucks muffins. What's the protocol this weekend? It was another long day, but a good one, so it is 7:30. We are just done. Summit that came fourth out of, I don't know, was it 12, 13 athletes in heavyweight bodybuilding. Crazy condition, everyone, and I'm super happy with the condition he brought. So actually, the funny thing, he's obviously, there's a bit of a language barrier because he's from Turkey, doesn't fully speak English, and the whole prep, he gave me his wrong height. I don't know how he measured his wrong height. And we came to weigh in, me and him thinking that his weight is fine, his height is that, whatever he measured. Asked him a few times, came to registration, no, he needs to drop 7 kilos for classic. I'm like, yeah, how did this guy measure his height? So wrong, because I think it was 4 centimeters wrong. But anyways, like, we spoke to the judges at registration, they were very helpful. He does have a big future in bodybuilding. Obviously, we just know he needs a little bit more muscle. He's got crazy legs, just need a little bit more on the upper. But yeah, it was really good to see him. We actually pushed him 6 kilos heavier than his weigh-in. So obviously, when the call was, he has to do open because he's not making weight. We just really made sure that we carved him up properly, and it was actually, I'm not sure the exact stats, just watch here. You don't want to fall on TV. But it was probably like 3,500 grams of carbs alone in about 3.5 days, without today, because today he also had a lot of muffins and stuff. It's stuff that we used in his prep, so he's used to it. Starbucks muffin, that was a protocol this weekend and dates. But yeah, overall very happy. Like you guys always see me post, it's not about, you know, the medals. We had great wins, we had great placings this weekend, but that's not what it's about for me. I'm obviously happy for my clients, but it's the moments with them. I really enjoyed this moments. I'm sure Ruben also loved the time here. The energy was crazy high. Really just loved making memories with all my athletes that side in Turkey, meeting so many people that follows me, just chatting with everyone. Everyone is just so on a mission to succeed in life, and that's so awesome to be around that energy. You know, everyone that wants to move forward, everyone that wants to just learn, you know, just positive energy. It was just so awesome, and Turkey is definitely going to see me a lot more moving forward, especially now that the team is really growing big here. I'm definitely going to be coming here a lot more often. But yeah, a lot of positivity from this weekend, and a lot of things that opened my eyes again, and you know, just seeing how everyone around me, you know, is so driven, and how me or the team played a positive part in their journey, helping them through a difficult time or helping them with being the best they can be. You know, it's just so much bigger than just a diet, so much bigger than bodybuilding. And yeah, there's a much bigger purpose here for me, and it's about helping people in another way. So yeah, I'm definitely on that mission. But I'm not sure if we're gonna vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to, tomorrow is traveling. Yeah, tomorrow we're going to Istanbul, and my client Ali has a waffle house in Istanbul, and he asked us to come past. So how can I not make special memories in a waffle house in Chava Waffle? I'm in shape, I'm not gonna get fat, so I'm okay. We might just get up early, get a workout in, and then our flight is at 8:30 somewhere, so early one, and then tomorrow night back to Dubai. Thank you, Turkey. Well, I might see you guys in another vlog tomorrow. Show some love, and we'll see you guys soon.